Do you know there's a really simple way to make your iPhone flash even when it's set to silent for incoming phone calls or text messages? In this video, I'll show you how to set that up step by step on your iPhone. First, search for and open the Settings app. Now scroll down until you find Accessibility and then tap on it. Next, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and look for Audio and Visual. Tap on it. Scroll down again to find LED flash for alerts, which is turned off by default. Let's turn it on, so tap to open it. First, toggle on LED flash for alerts. Then toggle on flash on silent mode. And it's done. Additionally, you can choose to enable this feature even when your phone is unlocked. However, I suggest keeping it off. Now, every time you receive a phone call or text message while your phone is locked, it will flash. I'll just call myself from another device so you can see the flash. Please note my phone is currently set to silent. This flashing is a cue that I'm receiving a call or text message. I hope you found this quick video useful. Please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you next time.